Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm gonna talk a little bit about CSS styling, about things like pseudo elements, about things like before and after. You might have seen like this in many websites. um, you might have seen like this in many websites, uh, like this before and after in this in this dev tool. But I'm gonna show you in this video what these things are and how can we use these things. So without any wasting time, let's get started. So this before and after, these are pseudo elements. And what are pseudo elements? Pseudo elements are kind of elements which actually doesn't exist, but it works with CSS. Like I have this paragraph element, this main element, this header elements, h1 h2 elements, but this pseudo elements doesn't exist. So we can do like this, like if I have this main tag over here, and after that I have two paragraph. So I can say main p, and I can give the after over here, after. And what this after does, it will edit just straight over here. I mean over here, I guess, just straight over here. I mean, if I write over here main p and after, and if I write hello over here, or I can say hello, how are you, right? Now you see it has been edited at the at I mean at the last of this paragraph. And I can do anything like as we do, like I can give padding of sorry, I forgot this. I can say padding of 2 pixels, and just like that. But we can give anything, like if I give color of let's say red, and here you see it works for both. I mean both paragraph, because I have given main p, and after that I have given after, because it fetching the data. I mean it's fetching the paragraph of to this. I mean it's fetching the both of the paragraphs over here, so it will edit both of them. So I can give anything. So if I give font size of, let's say, 5 pixels, sorry, let's give 20 pixels. There we go. So here you see. And what this after does, I mean what this before does, if I give before over here, let's say before, and over here if I give main p Nathan child 1, I mean main p, it will, first of all, it will take both of the paragraphs over here. Now it will give child number 1, I mean this one only, it will edit only this one. So this is the property of CSS to use. So now I can give over anything like content. I can give anything like let's say hello, right? So it will, I mean it will edit at the very first of the paragraph. Right, so okay, let's give a little bit of space over here. Now it's looking good. Now let's try with some attributes, like if I give over here of this paragraph, let's say data text, and if I give let's say this thing only, hello, how are you, hello, how are you, and I will give the same thing over in the next paragraph also, just like that. uh, let's select this, and instead of giving this thing over here, I can give attribute. Like, let me show you what's that. I can give a ttr, which means attribute, and I can give data text right here. And if I save this, and you see it also work, because it's fetching the attribute from the p tag of the main tag, and it's fetching the attribute of data text. So it will find where is the data text, and it will fetch the string from there, and it will put it to the document over here. Alright, so this is the thing, and you might see in the console also, I mean in the developer tool over here. And if I go to main, and in my first paragraph you see before pseudo element has been used and after pseudo element has been used, and over here you see no before element has been used and after element has been used. So in this case this hover effect should be failure. Like if I mean over here, let's say over no, not here, sorry. Let's make another thing, another property. Let's say main be init name child of 1, and let's give the uh, before, and let's give hover. So in the hover content I will give the color of red, and I will give font width of, let's say, 900. So it's pretty bold actually. So you might see it's ain't working, right? So for this reasons we can use like this. Before this, I mean before pseudo element, I can give another, and I can give hover, just like that. Now if I go, you see it's working. So you might guess if you want to give hover active or focus, things like that, then you can do like this. I mean, first of all, it will main tag. Where is the main tag? And it will fetch the p tag over here. And if you give Nathan child number 1, it will show the property of first paragraph, because Nathan child, I mean Nathan child, this is a child of this main tag over here. So it will fetch the data from one number child, I mean this first paragraph, and after that you're gonna hover it, and after that you use before over here, before, right? So now as you can see it's working. So after that you can use before, because after hover, if you use before, it will work, because you're using before after the hover. So yeah, this was the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and make sure to uh, subscribe and like that button, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to share it, and I'll see you guys soon. And most importantly, I'm making Node.js videos, and the tutorials is going to come soon. And don't forget to join our Discord server, where we talk about, I mean we discuss about uh, coding related things. Many peoples are there, link in the description down below. If you want to join my social medias, want to talk in my social medias, all links in the description down below. My profile on my Twitter, my Instagram. If you want to follow me, all the things, all the informations of me are in the description down below. So yeah, see you guys later.